Hey everybody, so it is a new day and I did go to the nursery yesterday and I picked up some more plants for the front. I'm gonna be planting them now. The sun has been in and out. Today it's been cloudy and there is a forecast of some rain. I'm feeling a little bit of drizzle right now, but hopefully the rain will hold back until I'm done planting. So let's get this done. This one is called Honey Made Holly. It grows 6 to 8 feet tall, and it takes sun to shade, and it's down to zone 4. It doesn't say on the tag up to what. It does grow berries. I see some on it now, right there, and then they turn red. So this will take up a nice space right here. I'll have to move that hosta out the way. These sprinter boxwoods need 4 to 6 hours of sun, zones 5 to 9, and they grow 2 to 4 feet tall and wide. This tall grass is a miscanthus variety. It's a maiden grass. It needs full sun. Zone 5. So it goes down to negative 20 degrees. And it needs direct sunlight most of the day, water regularly. The mature size of these plants are 5 to 7 feet tall, 3 to 4 feet wide. And this type of grass, or at least this one, is not preferred by deer. Then we have these new generation boxwood. This is the Freedom. I went and picked up 2 more from the nursery because I got these 3 and I like them so much, and I wanted to add to this here and put like a swoop of them. So I got those 2 to put there. And then this grass here is Adagio maiden grass. I'm not sure of the size. I believe it's about medium height, but I'm gonna look it up and I'll let you guys know. But I want to split that and put some of it here and right here. So I got the boxwoods in, and now I'm watering, and while the water is going into one of the grasses, I'm gonna start on these 2 boxwoods. I moved over the mulch, and now I'm gonna dig. Okay, my phone shut off, so I went ahead and finished putting in the boxwoods. And let me see. Here you have them in the swoop. And I'm gonna water them now. Still watering these.